little off lately, a little cluttered and chaotic lately. And I think my room is the perfect representation of that. So today I'm going to reset, tidy, declutter, so then hopefully my brain follows suit. I'm gonna start here, my corner, my nightstand, my special sanctuary. I'm gonna put everything that doesn't belong in here, that needs to be put away, in this basket. Kaiser made me these a couple months ago. This stays. Yeah, I have a thing for pens. Why am I having a hard time deciding if I should keep this bell? Another gift from my child. I cannot get myself to throw out this little polymer clay ear. You're staying with me. Piercing supplies. Guys, I scored most of our goals. This is why I can never get anything done. I get distracted. Socks, clothes. And I never looked through this. Okay, I can get rid of this. One section done. How I mentioned I'm just feeling a little bit frazzled. I feel like a big portion of that has to do with the fact that we've been out of town. I haven't been sleeping in my own bed. And when I'm not sleeping well, I'm more overwhelmed, less patient, and it all just kind of snowballs.
Huge thank you to Helix for sponsoring today's video.
We've had our mattress for years. I never realized how big of a difference something like a mattress could make. I really like that Helix has so many different mattress options depending on how an individual sleeps, but it's still really easy to pick one thanks to their sleep quiz. You just pop through a few different questions. They'll match you to what they feel is best for you. I share a bed and we both are super happy with what we're matched with. I have the Midnight Luxe mattress. It's comfortable, it's supportive, has the right amount of firmness, and honestly, it really absorbs movement. On my old mattress, anytime Ryan would roll over through the night, the whole thing would just like jostle and kind of shake. I was always getting my sleep disrupted just from him rolling over. That is not the case here. Our Helix mattress has really solved that problem for us. Probably saved our relationship. The mattress is shipped right to your door. Comes with a sleep trial to test the mattress out and make sure it truly is the right fit for you. And I'm very excited because Helix just came out with their Comfort Adjust cooling pillow. I'm really intrigued by the fact that it's customizable depending on the support and feel I want. They did send these recently to Ryan and I. We haven't slept on them yet, but I'm very excited to try them out.
A pillow is just a really great way to upgrade on comfortability without spending too much money.
Very much looking forward to sleeping on that pillow for the first night. If you've been considering a sleep refresh, right now is Helix's spring saving event where you can get 20% off site-wide, pillows, bedding, mattress. Scan my QR code on screen here or visit helixsleep.com/HarleyG to take advantage of that 20% off through their spring savings event. Big thank you to Helix for sponsoring today's video. Let's move on to dresser. I started buying anime series, then realized I can just read them on my phone. I moved the books here for now. Since I was up, got the tops of the doors. Have never wiped those down since living here. It's a couple hours later, I fell asleep. Woke up from one of those naps that I was like, I don't even remember falling asleep. And the dresser is mostly tidy now. I feel so much better, so much more energized. I'm gonna tackle the laundry in here. These are the new pillows. I'm definitely gonna whip them out tonight. And this, ta-da! Moving on to here, my most worn boots. They're not really in the way here. They don't bother me too much other than it makes it hard to vacuum. Toys and things end up over here. The cat throws toys everywhere. So I'm gonna move these to a different spot just to give myself a little more space, a little more clear mind. Pop some of these hats here. I find myself not wearing them. Even though I like that spot for them, I find myself not wearing them because I have to like pull all of them off to get the one on the bottom, and might as well utilize this little rack I recently got. Give the mirrors a quick wipe down. This one especially gets so dusty, but I refuse to part with it because I found it for $5 while thrifting, and I'm convinced it's so cute. Doesn't really do much for me sitting on the floor here. I guess I can see how my shoes look with my outfit, but that's about it. For a moment. My dad did this New York City puzzle because I love New York City. I wanted to move there forever. Put it on this backing, framed it. I've had it for a long time now. Gonna wipe the dust, the baseboards. Much better. And vacuum. And move it back. Ta-da! One more corner, Ryan's section. Oops, forgot to move this back. I do like having this here. Break. Lots of laundry. I'm not gonna mess with the inside of his drawers, but I will wipe it down. Before I vacuum, I do definitely want to wipe this bad boy down. It's quite dusty. A staple in any 30-year-old's household. Do y'all keep a coin jar? I very recently, in the last couple of months, got this thing to hang on my door. It's been so nice. Stores my scarves. I moved our race medals into here temporarily until I get them hung up somewhere because yes, I will be hanging them up. I am one of those people. And up here, I keep our smaller like fanny packs. It's perfect. Now to reset, found this in my garage. It now holds all of the pet toys, supplies, things like that. Ryan had these sitting here. I'm gonna go ahead and hang them on the wall here for him. That's fine. put it back. Is it the most perfectly tidy room? No. I do still have a junk thingy here, so I can just throw stuff in there and worry about it later, because that's what my life calls for right now. And this is clothes that I am getting rid of. Picture frames, I haven't put pictures in yet. You know, like, I don't need my space to be perfect. I just need it to be functional. I already feel so much better. I really, really do. I just had the nap of my life. It's kind of wild how much of an impact a little bedroom refresh, a little tidy up, clean up, how much better it makes me feel. Thank you so much for joining me today. That's going to be it for this one, and I will see you next time.